everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you ever so much for clicking on this video and tuning in today. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Barbara. I go by the name of Simple Yet Stylish on all socials, and I upload luxury handbag reviews, luxury shoe unboxings, fashion hauls and occasional lifestyle vlogs. So if any of those topics are of interest to you, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you ever so much for your continuous support. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, so as you guys can obviously tell by the title of this video, today we are going to be unboxing a pair of luxury branded shoes. Now, I think I have done pretty well this year. This has been my first... I had to think about it for a second. This has been my first luxury shoe purchase. So I think I've done pretty well, because it's all well and good, you know, being able to buy those things for yourself. But I feel like if I don't really have anywhere special to go, then I don't really need to be buying shoes left, right and center, even though I'm absolutely obsessed with shoes. So this is my first purchase of the year, and I'm very much excited to show you guys what it is. Now, before we get into the video, guys, let's just appreciate the new hairstyle. I don't think you guys have ever seen me with a hairstyle like this on my channel, because I don't usually wear frontal wigs, but it's my birthday in a few days, so I decided to treat myself to a nice little cute hairstyle, so hence the new look. But I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Anyway, enough of that, let's get straight into the unboxing and let me show you guys the shoes that I recently purchased. Okay, so going back to what I just said, I actually purchased it quite a while back, but I obviously haven't worn them or posted anything about the shoes on social media or anything like that. So I purchased these shoes from Net-a-Porter, came in this box. I've obviously ripped my details off, like name and address, etc., but it came in this box here, and once you open it up, make sure it's the right way for you guys, turn it around. So once you open up the brown box, you've got this. Now, I feel like for a while, I would say for a while, I wasn't really happy with what I was seeing out there in terms of like styles of shoes, heels more particular, because you guys know I absolutely love heels. But lately I feel like the brands, particularly the high-end brands, they've really been picking up. They've been picking up, I don't want to use the term slack, but let's just say they've been picking up, and nowadays I'm absolutely loving what is out there. As you guys know, my last shoe unboxing was my Bottega Venetas, and if you follow me on social media, particularly Instagram, then you would have seen me rinse the life out of those shoes. And I say all of that to say they're still going very strong. They're still in good quality, but I find myself always grabbing my Bottegas whenever I'm going out, whenever I've got an outfit in mind. It just literally goes with everything. And so far, they are my most comfortable shoes for me in this present moment. So I absolutely love them, and I'm so obsessed with them. So I actually tried these on already, but then I put everything back into the box so that I can unbox it for you guys. And I walked around the house in them for quite a bit, and I would say so far they are comfortable. I will come back to you guys with like a more detailed review, maybe in the near future, to let you guys know if that comfort is still on the level that I'm currently putting it at. But wearing it around the house, it seemed pretty comfortable for me. So as you guys can tell, it is a pair of shoes by Mac & Mac. So I purchased it from Net-a-Porter, as I said. Comes with this beautiful bow. I'm just gonna take the bow off this way, and then open up the box. So inside the box, loads of tissue paper. Even in the brown box, loads of tissue paper. My receipt from Net-a-Porter, and then this note from the brand Mac & Mac. and it says, special shoes need special attention. Our product is made from delicate, uniquely sourced materials and are embellished by hand with crystals. Please take extra care when wearing to avoid any damage. With your love and care, you can be sure your shoes will remain just as special as the day you purchase them. And I think it's so important that they add these notes. I know a lot of brands do add these notes because, like I've said in so many, I think I've mentioned this in every single video, every single episode of my luxury handbag reviews, that when it comes to purchasing high-end products, you really have to pay attention to the care and detail that you give your products. Otherwise, they will get damaged. So with that is also another little card which basically explains in more detail how to care for your shoes. And then we've got this little pouch here which always contains like extra bits that you need for your product, and I'm sure I know what this is. It comes with almost every pair of high-end shoes. It's just for the bottom of the heel, so it comes with these. And then the moment we've all been waiting for, it comes beautifully packaged in these sort of like satin dust bags. Nice, beautiful, dusty pink color. I'll take one out for you guys. Again, more tissue paper. And there we have it, guys. So these are the shoes that I purchased. Just gonna take this off. And I will do a separate cutaway so that you guys can see what it looks like once the shoes are on. But I absolutely love them. Now this pearl chain actually goes around your ankle. It goes to the back of your foot and then around your ankle. And I love the heel. It's a mid-heel height, so it's very comfortable, not too high, not too low, just perfect. And it comes with this huge sort of like crystal diamond in the middle, which I absolutely love. And of course, more pearls around here and more sort of like diamonds around there as well. Oh, and back to the heel. The heel's also encrusted with these diamonds, which I absolutely love. So yeah, those are the shoes. Now, I think I've said this before on my channel, and please don't shoot me for it, but I think I've said before that I'm not really a huge fan of sort of like the Perspex sort of transparent see-through PVC type of shoe, and I still stick by that. I'm not when it comes to a majority of the styles. However, there are very, very few styles that I like when it comes to PVC, and I think this is definitely one of them. I don't think, simply because when you look at the shoe, you don't really, the PVC doesn't really draw your attention. It's more so the way in which the shoe has been accessorized. So the over excessive pearls, the huge diamond, the fact that it's pointy, and it's not just like your average pointy type of shoe, is quite long as well. It's giving me auntie vibes, but rich auntie vibes, modern auntie vibes, rich bougie modern auntie vibes, if you guys get what I mean. So yeah, I really like it. I got this in a size 39, which is a UK size 6. I believe that's a US size 8. And I believe it's okay to go for your original sizing when purchasing these shoes. If you do have wide feet, then I would suggest maybe you go half a size up. Don't go one whole size up, because of the PVC. You don't want your foot sort of like slipping and sliding in and out of the shoe. So I would say if you have wide feet, then half a size should be okay. In terms of style, I am definitely looking forward to wearing this for my birthday. This is such a huge statement shoe. I think in my collection, because as much as I love shoes, I'm quite subtle when it comes to the type of shoes I get. But I think besides these ones, which is obviously a new addition, my D squared heels, I'll insert a picture on screen so that you guys can see what it looks like, are my most detailed shoes in my whole shoe collection. So it's nice to have another like huge statement shoe to add to my collection as well. Back to what I was saying in terms of style, I think it's really nice when you wear this with maybe like a short dress, not too short. Well, obviously if you want to go too short, that's your business, girl. You can go as short as you want. But I think it's nice when you've got this type of shoe with the pearls going around the ankles, and then you're showing off your beautiful legs, and then you've got maybe like a nice short dress on, or maybe like some shorts and a blazer. I think it looks really nice. I think in terms of occasional wear, it's the perfect shoe for occasions. So if you are a bride-to-be and you're looking for beautiful, high-end, comfortable shoes to wear for your wedding or your special day, then I will definitely recommend these shoes. Your engagement, a birthday, whatever the case may be, whatever the occasion, I think it's a perfect shoe for special events. I am also looking forward to wearing these shoes for Christmas. I say that all the time. I always plan like outfits for Christmas and stuff, but then I never go anywhere. I just stay at home and cook for the family. But even if that means I have to prance around in my kitchen with these shoes, then it is what it is. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if it's too short for you, but I'm trying to keep my videos short and sweet now, as opposed to having it so long-winded. I feel like I talk too much in some of my videos when it should just be a simple, straightforward unboxing. So I hope that's okay with you guys. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you like these shoes. Let me know if you're not so much of a huge fan of these shoes. Let me know what your current favorite shoes are, or your current favorite style of shoe. I'm very much open to feedback, and I love having discussions with you guys in the comment section. So make sure you comment down below. Also, give the video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share it with the fellow shoe lovers out there who are not aware of this channel. Make sure that you follow me on all my socials as well. I will link all of them in the description box below, and I'll probably pop it on screen as well so that you guys can follow me on there. But like I said, thank you ever so much for clicking on this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.